Hey friends, it's me again. This will be a short video. I didn't film what I was doing because I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, I know, but I didn't know how. So, you can see, what a mess. We had to swap out my ball joints. And you'll see why. I'll have that video playing. And yeah. Top one went fairly easy. The bottom one was a real pain in the butt. Had to use fire, the big sledge, the little big sledge, and the clampy. I do need to do the driver's side eventually. It's not bad, but I just want to do it. So it's done. And I will do that in the fall, and I will record all that so you can see. But I found something out. I know one reason why the ABS light is on. If we come down here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, yeah, right there. The wires have rubbed through right there, somehow. This is the speed sensor wire. And it goes to a little sensor down there, and on the inside of the bearing here, it has teeth and spins around and counts them and blah blah blah. And so that not working at all would be why I don't have ABS or things had. But basically that's why those lights are on. So I gotta order those parts. And I gotta order new boots for these because those were all tore up. Some lube. So I got a little bit of work to do on this still. But for now, I'm low on money. That should fix a lot of my alignment issues. And I can still go to my appointment on Monday and get that fixed. Sorry, really thirsty. But yeah, new tires are awesome. As you can see, I've had some fun. I'm just gonna button this up and end this video here. Probably saved myself hundreds of dollars doing this myself. Honestly, I probably should have changed out the bushings and stuff and just got a whole new top control on. But like I said, I don't have money for that, and if I'm gonna change stuff out, I want to upgrade, not get the same old stuff. But anyways, it's hot, it's getting buggy. Should probably eat. Oh look, I was hammering so hard, but the hammerhead's starting to fall off. Or maybe it's just not dirty there. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I wanna eat, I wanna play some video games. I wanna get out of the bugs. I wanna shower. Just look, I am stinking dirty. So yeah. Peace out.